Hello and welcome to EduSpark Global. In today's video, we're going to solve this biology quiz question. The question says, a cell is placed in a solution with a higher solute concentration than the cell's cytoplasm. What will most likely happen to the cell? And they gave us 4 options. So the question states that the solution has a higher solute concentration than the cell's cytoplasm. Such a solution is called hypertonic solution. So the key concept to this question is osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water across selectively permeable membrane from an area of lower solute concentration, which is the same as higher water concentration, to an area of higher solute concentration, the same as lower water concentration. So in the case of this question, inside the cell, we have a lower solute concentration. Lower solute concentration than the cell cytoplasm is known as hypotonic solution. While outside the cell, we have a higher solute concentration, which is hypertonic solution. So for this question, water is expected to move out of the cell to the surrounding solution. So the correct answer to this question would be B. Water leaves the cell, causing it to shrink. And this is because in a hypertonic solution, water moves out of the cell by osmosis, causing the cell to shrink. Now let's look at A. A says water enters the cell, causing it to swell. That would be wrong. That only happens in hypotonic, where the solute concentration is lower than the cell cytoplasm. So this would not be correct for this question. Now for C, the cell remains unchanged. This also is incorrect, and the reason is because a cell remains unchanged only in an isotonic solution. In isotonic solution, the solute concentration is equal inside and outside of the cell. For D, it says solutes move out of the cell, causing it to expand. This also is incorrect because osmosis involves the movement of water, not the movement of solutes across the membrane. What happens to different types of cells? For animal cells, they shrink and become shriveled. This process is called crenation. In plant cells, water leaves the central vacuole, causing the cell membrane to pull away from the cell wall, and this process is called plasmolysis. So remember, hypertonic, water moves out, cell shrinks. Hypotonic, water moves in, cell swells. And then isotonic, no net movement of water. Cell stays the same. So this is the reason why B is the most correct answer to this question. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to share to your friends, follow or subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.